Hi friends, great morning and welcome to our daily analysis. Friends, yesterday we mentioned in my video that I was expecting an upside movement and I was expecting a trending day, seeing the CPR range and all. But you could see that it was just a small upside movement, right? We didn't get any bigger movement, even though it took a support at the CPR range, but still it couldn't touch our target level, right? Which is 6303, what I told. Exactly near to the location it went. From there again the selling pressure was there. It's almost, it was like a sideways kind of day, right? Now let us do today's analysis. So before going in detail, I want to give you a disclaimer. Whatever views and studies I'm sharing in this video are my personal views and studies. So I don't guarantee you any success or profit from these trades. You make sure you do your own analysis and maintain proper risk reward ratio. And also, friends, if you're watching first time my channel, make sure you subscribe the channel, hit on the like button, comment in the comment box what are the more information you want from this daily analysis, and also share this video with your other trading friends. Friends, if you want to make your trading more efficient and profitable, shift your trading from normal to algo trading, system-based trading, right? If you want to know more about algo trading, how it can be benefit for you, visit my website, algover.com. The link is there in the description. So visit the link and register for 7 days free trial. Also, I want to invite all you to today's masterclass at 7:30 p.m. sharp. See, we have a superpower trader. And here we are going to discuss more about psychology behind successful trading, money management rule. And also I'm going to share you 5 golden rules for my intraday trading rules. I'm going to share you the rules also. Right? So I want to meet all you in the masterclass. Link to register for the masterclass is there in the description. So click on the link and register for the masterclass. Now let us do today's analysis. Today, first we will do with the daily candle. We will see what happened yesterday. You can see that it created a new high, but it couldn't sustain at that high, and almost near to the close opening, it closed. Right? It was a small candle in MCX. But if you go to NYMEX, it was a slightly bigger candle, right? Slightly bigger candle compared to MCX, right? And so what it indicating is still the upside trend is continuing, right? That's what it's showing. But what we need to understand one thing, the price is trading much away from the 20 EMA, right? So there is a probability somewhere it can take a resistance and come down. Same time, even the 20 EMA can also go up, and in between somewhere it can touch, right? So if you see last 5-6 days, it couldn't touch the 20 EMA level, right? So there is a high probability of maybe a retracement, small retracement, and the 20 EMA can also go up and somewhere it can touch, right? That's what I am expecting, right? And the same thing, the same pattern in the NYMEX crude also you can see here, right? And in 30 minutes candle, you can see NYMEX already open here. The CPR is a wide CPR, indicating a sideways day. And normally 5-day we have seen it's a sideways, right? And even though it was trading almost near to the previous day's high, it started. There was a small selling pressure. Maybe it is trying to come down to the CPR range. That may be one probability it can happen, right? And if it breaks the intraday high, then we have a high probability of going up. Right? So we will see the levels with our MCX crude 30-minute candle. So friends, in MCX, the CPR is a narrow CPR. Normally, this kind of narrow CPR is indicating a very good trending day. But being a 5-day, I don't expect any big trending day until unless it's actually sustaining above with some good pattern above the previous day's high. Right? So what are the probability? Let us understand. Now, in case if it creating any selling pressure within this range, within this previous day's high, right? And it can come down and settle somewhere near to the CPR range, even though CPR is not powerful today since it's a narrow CPR, right? So it can come down and take a support. If it breaks, then it can come to 6209, and below that we have 6147 level, right? So these are the levels on the downside. Below that again, we have the virgin CPR. We have marked yesterday, right? We have a virgin CPR. So this also can actually take as a good support. So downside, the movement is limited up to this. That's what I'm expecting. The virgin CPR is starting from 6137. In the downside, it is at 6097 level, right? So or either it can take a support 6202 or it can take a support at 6147 level, right? Or at the Virgin CPR. And similar way, in case if it creating any pattern at this level or from the CPR range, it can first take a resistance at the same level, which is 6303 level, and then above that we have 6383 level, right? So on the upside, my first target will be 6383 level, and above that we have 6514 level. So what I am thinking, the one probability, in case if it creating any pattern. Yesterday during my webinar, I have given 3 patterns, right? People who attended know that which are those 3 patterns. If any one of those kind of pattern, or we have other patterns, any one of these pattern happens, what will be the good probabilities? It can actually create a bigger high. I mean, it can create a good trending high, right? So 63831 level. Above that, if you are getting any good pattern, then 6514, what I'm expecting for the day, right? It may be slightly higher, but still there is a probability for that, right? That's what I am expecting for the day. That's all in this video, friends. So thank you very much for watching. Wishing you all a very happy and successful trading. Thank you very much.